Welcome to the Dealshaker, a global online meeting hub enabling the sales of goods and services in a combination of OneCoins and cash. You can now buy and sell in OneCoins and have access to deals for products, services, travel, and entertainment from all over the world. You can use the same user profile to log in and do both. If you want to log into your buyer profile, simply click on Login in your header and enter your OneLife credentials. All OneLife members can access the Dealshaker with their OneLife credentials without having to sign up or register again. If you don't have a profile, you can sign up directly through Dealshaker, which will automatically register a free account or rookie for you in the OneLife system and give you access to the Dealshaker shopping or merchant experience. Once logged in, you can browse and select the deals you would like to purchase. Dealshaker is directly linked to your cash and OneCoin accounts, located in your OneLife back office, so your payments can be processed easily. If you like a deal and want to purchase it, click on the View Deal button to show detailed information about it. Notice that all deal prices are a combination of $1 plus euro. The maximum cash percentage of the price that a merchant can accept is 50% of the deal value, with no limitations on the 1%. This means that a merchant can choose to run a deal in 50% ones plus 50% euro, or run a deal for 100% euro. This means that if a merchant wants to promote a service worth 100 euro in 50% cash and 50% won, the coupon price will be set at 50 euro, plus the 50 euro equivalent in won, depending on the current exchange rate. Apart from the price, you will also see other important details about the deal, such as the coupon delivery method, or how you can receive your service or product, when the promotion ends, the validity of the coupons, how many available coupons are left for this deal, a detailed deal description, specific terms of use set by the merchant, a brief overview of the merchant, instructions on how to redeem a coupon, and last but not least, the e-business card of the merchant, where you can find a phone number and an address you can use to contact the merchant for further clarifications or setting an appointment. Note that the merchant address and the delivery method are directly correlated, so you want to double-check if the merchant has provided all details necessary for you as a buyer to redeem or use your coupon. After reading this information, choose the quantity of coupons you want to purchase for this deal and click on the Buy button. You will see a summary of your purchase, showing your subtotal price in won and euro. Before completing the payment, you have to note that there may be more than one merchant's address or e-business cards provided, so upon payment, please choose one preferred address to be included in your deal coupon later. You should choose the one that is most convenient for you. After choosing the address, you are ready to finalize the purchase. See the Payment Method section. The Dealshaker system will automatically check your OneLife cash and OneCoin account for a positive balance and determine whether your balance is sufficient to process your purchase order. If your OneCoin balance is not sufficient to process the payment, you will receive an offer to compensate the deficit of OneCoins with euro, recalculating the amount based on the exchange rate for won. The recalculated amount in euro will automatically be shown in the total price row of your purchase order summary. If everything is in order, you will be prompted to enter your transaction password. Then you should click on the Confirm Purchase button to finalize your payment. You will receive a link to access your deal coupon listing on your deal confirmation page. Congratulations! You just bought your first deal. If you have already successfully purchased a deal, then there are two ways to access the purchased deal coupons. One of them is through your confirmation page after your payment has been processed. You will see the link that will redirect you to your purchase deal coupons list. If you've already closed that page, there is a very easy way to access your coupons by going to your shopping profile and then clicking on the My Coupons tab. Here you will see a list of all the deals that you have purchased a coupon for. To see your coupons, click on the Show Coupons button. This will open a page with all your purchased coupons. Notice that you will be able to see which coupons have been used and which you can still use. This page will also give you information on when your coupons were used and how much more time you have to redeem the unused ones. If you want to preview or print out your deal coupon, click on the Show PDF button. This will show you your detailed coupon information, which you need to provide upon receiving your product or service. The first thing you want to check is the information provided by the merchant. This would be the deal-specific terms and conditions provided by the seller, the deal description, and the merchant contact info. Bear in mind that the provided deal-specific terms of use need to be honored and are part of your final contract with the merchant. If violated, the merchant can choose not to provide you with a service or product. Also keep in mind that the merchant can extend the expiration date of the coupon up to 1 month. However, the merchant needs to indicate this to our merchant administrators at least 1 week before the expiration of the coupons. Your deal description and merchant contact details will give you specific information on the means through which you can exchange your coupon ID for the promoted deal services or deals. The merchant's contact information should give you enough details to allow you to reach out to the merchant in case you're having difficulties finding the address, need to specify order details, or if you need to set an appointment. The contact information includes your coupon delivery method as well. If your coupon delivery method is online services, you probably do not need to print it out. Online services is a delivery method chosen primarily for entirely online-based services, so the merchant should have a specific web address where you can receive your service, or an indicated preferred contact in the deal description, and wait to receive your coupon ID. Make sure that you keep your coupon ID confidential until you receive the online service, as once the coupon is reported as used, you cannot use it again. If your deal coupon delivery method is self-organized shipping, contact the merchant on the indicated phone number in the contact info section, or read his deal description to find details on how you can arrange the shipping to your preferred address. If your delivery method is redeem at location, you must bring your coupon with you in a hard copy or e-copy once you arrive at the indicated physical location to receive your product or service. What's left now is to enjoy the purchased services. Let's go over the coupon components in detail. This is how your deal coupon will look after your payment has been processed and approved. Your coupon is the contract with the merchant for providing the promoted service or product. It consists of a few components which will help you, the merchant or the merchant representatives or employees, redeem your coupon easily. Notice the details on your coupon. You will see that you have a unique coupon ID and your information as a buyer, your name, date of purchase and expiration date for your coupon. Do not share your coupon ID, as this coupon may be copied and used on your behalf. Treat the deal coupon as any other contract for service or product purchase with confidentiality. The coupon will also show the merchant's contact information, the merchant's preferred address that you chose upon purchase, the coupon delivery method, and the specific instructions from the merchant. You can use the listed information to contact the merchant for future clarifications about the deal. After you use your deal coupon, this will be indicated in your deal coupon list. Deal coupons can only be used once.